Okay, you're in Microsoft Excel and you want to create sheets based on a list. So here's my list of sales rep names. You will need a column heading for this method to work. So once you've got your list, click somewhere in it. You only need to select one cell, then go to the Insert tab on the ribbon, and we're going to use this Pivot Table button. So click on it, and then just select Existing Worksheet and select a cell in the same sheet as your list. So I'll select cell C1. Click on OK. Now over on the right of your screen, you'll see the Pivot Table Fields task pane, and you'll see your list in this box here. Now what you're going to do is drag your list into the filters area of the pivot table. Then on the Pivot Table Analyze tab, go over to this Options button. Don't actually click on the Options button. Click on the drop down next to it and then go to Show Report Filter Pages. Click on OK and Excel will begin to create sheets for each item in your list. There we have it. We now have a sheet for each name in the list. Now if you want to get rid of the text at the top of each of the worksheets, right click on the first worksheet and then select this option, Select All Sheets. Select the two cells that you can see data in, and that's at the top of the first sheet, and then go over to this Clear button, which is on the Home tab of the ribbon. Then choose Clear All, and that will get rid of all the text on each of the sheets. Then all you need to do is right click on one of the sheets and ungroup sheets. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.